Alright, good morning everybody. Welcome to day 2 of this daily vlog thing, this ghetto daily vlog that I'm doing on my phone and iMovie, which is also on my phone. So, anyway, if you don't know why I'm doing this, you can go check out last episode, which was yesterday, but basically my computer is overheating every time I use it to temperatures of like 200 degrees. So we need to get it fixed, and I figured I still want to upload, so might as well do a daily vlog, even though my life is super boring. Anyway, now that that's out of the way, you know how I said I want to get my computer fixed for like a week? It's looking like it might be more of like we're bringing it in today and we might get it back tomorrow. So, I mean, that's good and bad. I'm actually kind of disappointed that I don't get a daily vlog more. But I mean, my computer's being fixed, so. But, yeah, day 2. It's like I was about to check what time it was on my phone, but I'm recording on my phone. It's like, sorry, I'm turning that on just for a little bit, just so I can upload the video from yesterday. Because it's all edited and everything, I just need to do title and tags and all that. Thumbnail. Anyway, but yeah, we're just chilling. It's pretty early in the morning, it's like 10:30. I haven't had breakfast yet. I need breakfast. But, yeah, I will do that right after I upload my video, and I'll see you guys then. Okay, so I just uploaded yesterday's vlog, and it's scheduled to go live in a couple of hours. So my dad's gonna be here to pick me up in like 50 minutes or so, so we should probably have breakfast. I got my glasses on. I always forget, but especially in the morning, but I remembered, so we're good. So that's the only time I've used my computer in the past like 24 hours, because last time I used it, I got this thing and tested, and it was 200 degrees Fahrenheit, which is bad. Anyway, okay, so basically, if you, ooh, I think I might have ripped something. Anyway, I just fell and like, it really hurt. I dropped my phone. My phone's alright, I think, right? Yeah. Anyway, I dropped my phone, but we're good. Had some breakfast. But yeah, my dad's gonna pick me up in a little bit so that we can take my computer to the repair place, and hopefully we'll get it back like tomorrow, so I can at least finish today's daily vlog. I don't really know what to do. None of the YouTubers have uploaded. I can't be loud because my mom is sleeping right upstairs, so I can't like play loud music or anything. No one's uploaded any YouTube videos. I've finished Stranger Things. I don't know what to do, dude. My life has no meaning. Yeah, alright, well, I'll probably just waste away watching memes or something. So anyway, see you guys later. Hey, it's 11:11. Anyway, my dad is gonna be here in 20 minutes to take my computer to the repair place, so, I don't think we need the mouse and keyboard or anything, but we do have a 10 out of 10 cable management pack. So anyway, I don't think I need to take anything other than the actual computer, so we're just kind of, we're just chilling here. This thing's like, is this actually stuck right now? Or am I just a weakling? What is this? Okay, let me just stay right there. What is this? Oh my god. What? Oh. Well, that's embarrassing. That was fairly easy to do. So we just need the power cord and the computer, and then we can. Don't worry. Here, I'll set my camera somewhere where you guys can see me trying to carry that thing. Sick camera angle, bro. I just placed you guys on a box right here. Okay. Watch me like trip and die. What if I just straight up like tripped and just dropped it and broke my computer? Okay, I just need to. Okay, sit. So now we got my computer there in all of its glory, ready to be taken and repaired. Hopefully we get it back like tomorrow. I'm excited. But yeah, I don't really know what to do now. Oh, I know exactly what to do. Watch this, it's so cool. Okay, so you guys now have a first-person view. Isn't that the coolest thing ever? I can't really see too well, but basically, my dad got these VR goggles for Christmas. So he got a drone, but the drone comes with VR goggles. So I can't see right now, but you guys see a first-person TJ view. You get to see what it's like to live my life. Did I manage to... Wait, I see a thing in front of my toe. Oh, there it is. You have no idea, like, what I see right now. Because oh, that's a wall. Oh, that's also... This isn't faked at all, by the way. I'm just wearing VR goggles that are supposed to hold your phone, and I'm recording while it's in there. And I can see very minimally. Okay, well, that basically sums up my entire life in one first-person experience. It's just me. And I can't get a Dr. Pepper yet, because the rule is, guys, I hope you can hear me. I don't really know if you can. Anyway, the rule is I can't have a Dr. Pepper until 11:30. It's only 11, like, 13 probably. I don't know how long it's been since I said it was 11:11, but anyway, that was a nice first-person TJ view. I think that's enough. I literally could not see in this. I couldn't see anything in this. Yeah, to show you guys, here, let me show you guys, like, what it looked like. So basically, it's just this VR goggle thing, right? And I put it on, but I put my phone, hold on, put my phone right there. So then I could, oh, hold on. So then, when I looked through these things, all I saw was my phone. But as you can see, it distorts whatever's on the other end, so I could barely, like, see anything. Wait, am I seeing the green screen behind me? How is that even possible? Look. Man, light's crazy, dudes. Anyway, first, okay, well, the camera cut out for some reason, but yeah, that was a first-person vlog, which, you know, that's pretty cool. I mean, that's something kind of interesting. But so far this episode, we've done nothing at all interesting other than trip and fall and run into a wall. That rhymed. I'm a genius. That rhymed. I'm too cool. But anyway, yeah, first-person vlog. I don't really know what to do. I'm just gonna be sitting around until we can bring my computer to the repair place. But yeah, dude. First-person vlog. I'm gonna go watch that. I'm gonna go see what it looked like for you guys. Yeah. See you guys in a bit. So, wait, it's not, oh, it is upside down. Anyway, so, I was just riding that around. My mom broke her ankle, so she has to ride around on that scooter thing. So, you know, just took it for a joyride, you know, here and there. Actually, no, never mind, I'm gonna put that back, since my dad's gonna be here in a second. Oh, my hands on my... We're probably gonna go to lunch after we drop off. Oh, look at that guy go. Anyway, we're probably gonna go eat right after. Oh, there goes my dog. I love you. I love you, April. I love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. What's up, Dad? Ready? Please don't drop it, Dad.
Alright, we're out of here.
Yeah. Bye, April. Bye, Mom.
Huh?
We're eating like kings today. Alright, so we just dropped off my computer at a place to fix it, so hopefully we get it back like today or tomorrow. It seems like a really simple problem. It's just like thermal paste or something. Well, do you know what's weird? When we got there, it wasn't the people I expected. It was like a older dude, like probably like 60 or something, and I expected it to be a bunch of like 20-year-olds. Wow, I can't even edit that out. And you know, like a bunch of 20-year-olds or like 25-year-olds, but no, but no. But anyway, yeah. So hopefully my computer is getting fixed right now. But now, for the most fun thing of all, you know, like I bet you guys are pretty jealous of me. I get to do homework. Yay! Woohoo! Let's go homework. Yeah. So you know, I've been having fun all Christmas break, but now it's time to hunker down and do homework. I have a test. Like the only teacher evil enough to assign me a test on break. It's 75 questions. So anyway, I'm gonna finish this. I hope I can. Hopefully that's not considered cheating. Not that I'm gonna use my book, because I know it all. Anyway, see you guys once I finish the quiz test. And then after the test, I have to do even more stuff, and then I have to do makeup work, and then it's game over, boys. Game over. Okay, so it's now been like an hour and a half, and my procrastination game is strong. I was like twittering, as my dad says, twittering for like 30 minutes, texting, watching YouTube. Not 30 minutes. I don't know. I was procrastinating for a solid 30 minutes. And we're on question 22. So, you know, we're getting there, boys. Out of 75. Okay, I'm getting back to it. Let's go, boys. I finally finished it, guys. We're good, but yeah. So I finally finished my test. So let's reward ourselves, shall we? And by that I mean let me reward myself. Here we go. This is gonna be a common theme in the daily vlog. Ready? Sponsored by Dr. Pepper. Dude, if I was actually sponsored by Dr. Pepper, that'd be so cool. I say this all the time, but like they wouldn't even have to give me money. Just send me like 30, how what, like give me one Dr. Pepper per day, so like 31 Dr. Peppers per month. And I drink it all the time on video anyway, so like that way I'm just getting paid for it, you know? I'm not paid, but you know what I'm saying. Anyway, here we go. Sponsored by Dr. Pepper for the best drink from the gods. I think that was probably a very bad camera angle, because when I looked back at it, I was like facing the wall. Anyway, let's see here. Should we? I want to see if this is done charging, because I was just charging it. It is done charging, boys. Now I'm thinking, should we go ride this right now? I'm kind of feeling a lift ride. Let's see. So when I zoom in, is it digital zoom or optical zoom? I can't really tell. Yeah, I don't really know. But, yeah, let's go take this bad boy for a ride, and I'll see you guys outside. Okay, so now we're gonna head downhill. So I guess we'll see how it goes and try not to die. Holy God. Your ears are so soft. Oh. Okay, so man, it's cold out there, but we're back inside. That was a successful, nice one, Tim. Anyway, that was a successful ride. That was really fun. And now we're back to that point where I don't know what to do. My life has no purpose. So, you know, no injuries sustained. That's cool. But yeah, I don't really know. I'm just chilling. I should get my computer back today, which means this might be the last daily vlog. Plus, one of you guys doesn't like daily vlogging, obviously, because I lost a subscriber when I uploaded it today. And I'm not going to be one of those YouTubers who's like, well, I lost a subscriber. I'm 98% sure that I didn't do anything wrong. I'm pretty sure it's just the YouTube algorithm that deletes subscribers whenever I upload. I'm pretty sure someone manually unsubscribed, and that's fine. But, like, I'm trying my best out here, guys. You gotta let me know what I'm doing wrong. You can't just unsubscribe. You gotta be like, yo, dude, listen, like, I subscribed because you were cool, but now, like, you're using Casey Neistat in your title too many times, dude. Like, I'm unsubscribing. Like, let me know what I'm doing wrong. Anyway, okay, I thought I accidentally tapped the button that stopped recording. Anyway, yeah, I guess I'll see you later. Okay, just to go back to what I was talking about earlier, I know my vlogs aren't the most interesting thing, but I'm just trying to get you guys content. I'm just trying to upload because, like, I'm not like Casey Neistat where he's like, yeah, I fly in a helicopter like once every 2 weeks, you know. But I'm just trying to share a little bit of my boring life with you guys. I'm just kidding. But or like Faye's Rain. I don't live in the Faye's house, so I can't make super interesting vlogs where I'm going around talking to a bunch of other kids, like doing random stuff. Nah, dude, I live in my parents' basement. Like, no brothers, no sisters, no one to prank, no one to, you know. Like, I'll just be like Faye's Rug. I feel like I'm kind of like Faye's Rug, except I can't drive. As in, my life is boring, and I vlog things that people don't really care about. Except Faye's Rug is actually successful. I'm just kidding. I'm just having fun on YouTube, you know. I don't know. I'm so sarcastic all the time. I don't want people to think I'm serious about this stuff. Like, I'm hardly ever serious. Unless I'm saying, like, I appreciate you. Because I do appreciate you. No one's watching. Yeah, no one's watching the video. That's okay. I'll just sit here alone. Okay, bye. What is she even barking at? Scooter, are you... Yeah. Wow, this is a vicious fight going on here. Oh, no. April, come here. No, come on. What do you want, April? I'm confused. What are you looking at me for? Oh, okay, I see. Oh, let's go. Want some light and crunchy bark pops? Or do you want some lodge logs? Let's do some lodge logs. You super excited? Lodge logs. Best cameraman. Oh, nope. Lay down. Yeah, there you go. Go. You enjoying that, April? Oh. Okay, guys, I have a secret to tell you. And only because it's like 20 minutes into the video, so no one's watching except for like 2 people. So for those 2 people, I'm going to share with you guys my special talent, which is being able to vlog and bounce a ball on yeah. Just kidding. Watch, I dropped it, but that's okay. I'm still so skilled. Okay. How are we even gonna do this? We're gonna have to like throw it up, grab it. Oh, nailed it. Failed it. Oh, that rhymed too. Oh, we're going. I'm so bad I can't do this while I vlog. If you're one of the 2 people that can see my special talent, let me know. I don't even know if you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm hoping you can, but, you know. No. Anyway, yeah, no one cares. No one can see either. I'm just bored. It's only like 5 o'clock and I don't know what to do. Leave it, no. You can't just... She tipped over her bag of treats and like got all of the treats out of it. Leave it, no. Drop it, April, drop it. No. Okay, don't give her any more treats for the rest of the day. She just had like a lot. Yeah, I forgot to put it away. Sorry.
Resourceful little girl.
I know. She like jumped up and like hit it off, and then I knew I heard something mischievous going on up here. I think Dad's home too. Come on, April. No. Well, there she goes. My dad got me a donut because he's just the best, you know. Anyway, I think we're gonna end that vlog there, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. This might be my last vlog. Because the thing to fix my computer will likely take like 5 minutes to do. So probably we're getting my computer back tomorrow. Chances are, anyway. So I mean, I hope you guys enjoyed that daily vlog. Who knows? Maybe I'll be a full-on vlogging channel if that's what you guys want. I'm just kidding. But anyway, hope you guys enjoy that video. See you tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed my boring life and just, you know, little snippets here and there of what I go through every day. I gotta say, I loved vlogging. It's been really fun. Like, I've thoroughly enjoyed it. And like, I was genuinely like, I had very mixed emotions when I found out that I was English. I had mixed emotions when I found out that I was gonna get my computer tomorrow, because I was like, well, that's good because I get my computer back and it'll actually work well. But I also can't vlog. Like, I was planning on daily vlogging for like a full week, but instead it's 2 days. So anyway, I'm recording, right? All right, just wanted to make sure. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that. And here's a donut.